The Sabbat Vooplay. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. As many of you recall, the Sabbat E12 and E12 Ultra have been popular and one of my favorites. Now we will take a look at the new Sabbat Vooplay. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with a quick start guide and user manual, a USB-C cable for charging, and a carrying pouch. The Sabbat Vooplay features 6 hours of listening time, 40 hours with the case. It takes 1 hour to fully charge. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, aptX AAC codec, CVC 8.0 for noise reduction, 14.2mm drivers, button controls, USB-C, and wireless charging. They have a variety of color options available, and you can choose from 6. We will look at the Glacier version. The case is compact in size and it has a textured leather type finish all around. It's easy to grip, and you can see the Sabbat branding on the top of the lid. On the back of the case, you'll find a USB-C charge port. And inside you have the battery LED status indicator. The lid is magnetic and there is a nice tight snap when opening and closing. The earbuds are secured by magnets and they're easy to remove from the case. And you can see the matte finish inside. And as mentioned earlier, it has wireless charging, so here it is on the charger. The earbuds have a matte finish all around. It has a circular or knob outer face design, and the ear tips just sit outside your ear canals, similar to the Apple AirPods. You have the ear markings on the inside, and on the outside, you have the button control. Each of the earbuds have charging contacts, microphone, button control, and LED. Here they are side by side. Navigating playback and call controls is just a matter of a few taps to get the desired function. The case comes in at 2.5 by 1.6 by 1.1 inches. It weighs in at 40 grams and the earbuds come in at roughly 10 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
You touched my soul like a phantom, and you did it right from the start. Like nobody is watching what we're doing, like nobody is watching. I'm a one-to-one, I could never be you. Low me tools, no I can't be fooled. Low me tools, no I hate these dudes. I'm a one-to-one, I can never be you. Anything you could do, I can do better. I can do better than you. Anything you could do, I can do better. I can do better than you. Drop my first single like oh he rap. You thought it was a drought, that's
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Sabbat Vooplay microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in fair during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. You can use the earbuds independently left or right side if you prefer, and the pairing process was instant. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Sabbat Vooplay. I found them to be very comfortable since they don't press into your ear canals and just sit right outside. You can definitely wear them for extended periods of time. The downside for me is that they didn't really feel secure. I wish there was some type of fins or wings to give them better support. If you're familiar with the AirPods, they have that type of fit and feel. Build-in quality is good. The case and earbuds feel durable and they're easy to grip. Button controls are responsive and I had no issues. I like that they offer several different color options and the battery life is fair, coming in at 6 hours and 40 total with the case. Wireless charging is a plus along with the USB-C. There was no mention of an IPX rating, so I would not get these overly exposed to the elements. And again, design-wise, the secure fit was not there for me. Now when it comes to sound, it comes in very energetic, similar to the E12s. I would say the E12s still come out on top due to the fact that they sit inside your ear canals and create a tighter seal, and these just sit right outside. The bass on these definitely are plentiful and not lacking. It comes in deep and punchy, but not overwhelming. Mids and highs also come in strong, but are a bit forward. I found there to be good separation, and you may have picked up some of the details in the sound sample. Overall, I think these are a good pair for those that want the Sabbat sound signature, but with the added comfort. My only negative is that the secure fit wasn't there for me. So that is my review of the Sabbat Vooplay True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.